What's up, beautiful people? How y'all doing today, man? Listen, I just wanted to get on real quick and share something that hopefully can help out some people with their mindset and hopefully inspire y'all. I want to talk about two words. The words what if. Because I think that the words what if are really, really powerful. They can be very, very powerful, and they can also be very, very destructive. Now, it depends on which side of what if you're looking on. How do you look at the words what if? So when you're starting a new business or you're starting anything new, let's say you're anything that you want to see success in, you're going to have the words what if are going to come up, right? So it really, really honestly depends. Like, I truly believe that the success that you see depends on how you look at the word what if. So if you're one of those who say, well, what if I fail? What if I lose all my money? What if this doesn't work out? What if I'm not good enough? There's so many negative what ifs, right? If you start falling into the what if, the negative what ifs, chances are that's exactly what's going to happen, right? On the flip side, if you're one of those who say, what if this works? What if I succeed, right? What if I actually do well? What if I do better than expected? What if my business grows and it scales higher than I could ever imagine? What if I make $10,000 in one day? What if I make $50,000 in a month with my new business? What if I succeed at my fitness plan? What if I, all the positive what ifs. That mindset right there, which path you choose to go down, is going to really, really determine what the outcome is. Mindset is extremely, extremely powerful anytime you're trying to start something new or trying to build or create something. And it doesn't matter if it's a business, an online or actual physical location, if it's like a fitness journey that you're trying to get in shape, if it's like a new relationship that you're trying to start, like anything that you want to see success in, the words what if are going to come up. Now, it really, really depends on what side of what if you fall on. Are you looking at the what ifs on the negative side, or are you looking at the what ifs on the positive side, right? That's going to really, really determine the success that you have, no matter what it is that you're pursuing. So I really want to just kind of give you guys that technique, not necessarily a technique, but like that mindset and that perspective of saying, listen, if you guys are thinking about what if this is going to go wrong, what if I fail, you're going to fail, period. Because that's what your mindset is, and that's what you believe, right? And in this world, we get what we put out there, right? If you believe and you say, hey, listen, what if I succeed? And what if I do well? What if I change, right? All the positive what ifs. If you stay with that mindset, chances are, and I mean like 100% chance, that's gonna be what it is. It might take some people longer than others, but at the end of the day, if you keep your mindset on the positive what ifs, you're gonna get to where you wanna go. Hands down. Every single time. It's a law. It has to happen. So every time that we focus on something, that's exactly what we're going to get. So I need you guys to focus on the positive what ifs and not the negative what ifs, all right? Hopefully this gives you guys some value, and hopefully this kind of helps, with anything that you might be going through right now. So if you guys got any value from this, man, drop a little comment below. Other than that, I hope y'all have a good day, man. Peace.